In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your center console latch on this Toyota 4Runner, which is the latch that holds down this lid right here. All that holds this in are two Phillips head screws. So grab your screwdriver, take them out. Screw stuck in here, remove the screw because we'll have to reuse it. Here's your old latch, assuming it's broken, throw it away. Take the new one, put one of the screws through it, thread it in just a little bit. The hole is small enough to hold the screw in for you. And try to line it up with these two mounting holes. And thread it back in. Now you're just threading into plastics, so once it bottoms out, just give it a little extra like that. Don't make it too tight, otherwise it'll strip the plastic and the screw won't hold. And there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.